Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, it's time for this week's channel shout out. Get a fresh shake. I'm actually doing this on the table for a change. Well, you see my hand come down on a canteen? That's smart. Ow. Oh. Didn't hurt at first, but then it started to kick. Alright, see if one will pop out. And it did. We have, this week, it is, oh cool, Redneck Renegade. A very cool guy. Mr. Neck. I will, link his channel down in the description. He hasn't been posting as regular as he used to, but I think he's got a busy job, so it keeps him away from YouTube, which is, you know, understandable. Work, you gotta work, so. Very cool guy though. Lots of older content you can check out. So, as I said, I'll be linked down in the description. Oh, where's the sticker? Where's the sticker? Oh, right. Found a sticker. It's right with a bunch of good company. So Redneck Renegade, right next to plain old Chuck, James G Outdoors, Allie Carroll, BC Outdoors or BC Jerbs. Excuse me. Wow. Michael Bruner, Backpacking with Buckley. Allie Carroll again, because she has 2 stickers, actually 3 stickers, so, and then Kevin's Adventures. Sweet. Well, there we go, this week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But, you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you. And I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.